Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. This is a completely different type of video, but I just wanted to pop on here very quickly and say a gigantic thank you to every single person who has watched and commented on my weight loss journey video. You guys have been so incredible. There is no way that I could ever get to all of those comments. I believe there's somewhere around 1,000 comments now. I've been trying to like them as I read them, but I'm failing miserably because life. My son is running around in the background. Sorry about that. But I wanted to pop on here and just take a second to say thank you from the very, very bottom of my heart for all of your incredible words of encouragement, for all of your shared stories. I read so many of you saying that my story spoke to you. So many of you dealing with perimenopause, so many of you dealing with childhood trauma that our body just holds on to. And I'm so glad you guys found this channel. I'm so glad you're here. To all of the new subscribers, there have been so many of you over the last week or so. And I just want to say welcome to each and every one of you. And it seems like you guys enjoy hearing about this journey. So I will try to give some sporadic updates as I go about this journey. So again, no way in the world I could ever reply to all of the incredible comments on that video, but please know that I am reading each and every one, and I am beyond grateful for all of you, and I just want to say a huge thank you. So thank you guys so much, and I just look forward to sharing the journey with you further. So thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next one.